Today we are live at the Microsoft Ignite conference, and today I have
Jessica.
all right, Jessica, I am so happy that you are here to join us today. So I do just have a couple of questions. May I ask first, why did you choose to come to Ignite?
So I chose to come to Ignite because we partner with Microsoft for deployment of collaboration spaces.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you. Both internally with Microsoft and in Acoso.
Wow, that is impressive. Okay, Miss Jessica. And our next question is, how has AI helped you so far in your industry?
So AI for me, as someone who has a little bit of ADHD,
Oh, thanks.
has helped me to take care of some of the tasks that I might really struggle to tackle initially. I've used it to put together PowerPoint slides. I've used it to put together some budgeting documents that,
Wow.
while I understand the content, organizing it into a format that makes sense.
Right, for other people to understand it.
Correct.
That makes it a lot more
Yes.
easier and more
Yes.
efficient for you to allow you to,
Yes.
work on bigger tasks and more
Yes.
something more pressing maybe.
Yes, and maybe not run around in a circle
Right.
for an hour trying to figure out how I'm going to do it.
That is a great point, and that it's a great benefit is organization. It brings a lot of
Yes.
organization.
Yes.
And our last question: is there anything that you look forward to with AI in the future, or something that may need to be developed for your industry?
I look forward to utilizing AI, especially for analyzing data through Excel.
Oh yeah.
And as someone who is very intimidated by Excel, I know that feature exists today. I look forward to understanding how to use that and seeing that evolve.
And making it more accessible, yeah, because I'm sure, if you're an expert already, you can very easily understand it, but making it to where someone who may not be familiar with it
Right.
on a day-to-day basis could easily understand
Exactly.
it and comprehend it.
Exactly.
Well, thank you so much, Miss Jessica. I appreciate you taking the time, and I hope you enjoy Chicago.
Thank you.